Are you dizzy? If you have vertigo, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The seasick, the unknown, unbeknownst episodes of dizziness. Hi, I'm Dr. 𝗀𝗵𝘁𝘆𝘀𝘆 with Family First Chiropractic. You see, our bodies are smart. There's a message that goes from our brain all the way down to our foot, and from our foot all the way back to our brain. And this is what relates ourselves to gravity. It allows us to know left, right, which way's up, which way's down. That system can become interfered with. It's called the lines are crossed, also known as subluxation. When there's nerve irritation present from spinal misalignments, the body's self-awareness diminishes. So Family First Chiropractic, we analyze the spine and central nervous system for coordination, for balance, and for thus strength. Now, our patients also want to know what they can do on their own to regain their balance, their strength, their confidence to be able to take a step without tipping over. So we offer exercise consultations. We offer specific rehab measures that can be done to help regain the communication between your foot and your brain. That may just be the missing link in your vertigo. I'm Dr. 𝗀𝗵𝘁𝘆𝘀𝘆𝘀 with Family First Chiropractic.